Ledger recently raised $109 million in a funding round, having a valuation of $1.4 billion. Investors include 10T, CapHorn Invest, Morgan Creek Capital and Cathay Innovation. This has occurred amongst the collapse of centralized crypto exchange FTX and the CFTC lawsuit against fellow competitor Binance. This has led to individuals being wary about leaving their tokens with third parties. Ledger provide hardware products that enable users to store their assets in a secure, physical location. In the midst of this, Senator Josh Hawley's RMO attempted to force a vote in the U.S. Senate in order to prevent the popular social media app TikTok from being used in the U.S. Fellow Senator Rand Paul of Kentucky voted against Hawley's motion, claiming that a ban would be unconstitutional and an affront to American values. This reveals the disturbing tendency amongst U.S. political leaders to control technological progress and increase their surveillance of U.S. citizens and allies. The Restrict Act is of great concern. This was introduced by the Senate Intelligence Committee Chairman Senator Mark Warner, DVA, and commended by both Republicans and Democrats in the Senate, as well as acknowledging a statement from the administration in more recent times. The bill allows wide latitude to the U.S. executive branch to survey and restrict information and communications technologies developed by adversarial nations, meaning technologies developed in China or other hostile nations. If passed, this legislation would be harmful to technology development, personal human rights, and freedom of expression. We should take these efforts seriously to ensure the U.S. does not become its enemies, especially as regulations are closing in on the world of crypto. Therefore, the right actions should be taken to make sure the U.S. government is